This all-in-one CNC features spindle, oscillating cutter, and CCD camera. Xingduowei system with industrial PC. Machine with CCD camera, water-cooled spindle, rotary cutter, and pneumatic oscillating knife. HDCCD locates mark points to correct sheet offset. Software aligns prints. Generates spindle paths for accurate contour cutting. Keeping cuts perfect lie aligned with printed graphics. Pneumatic oscillating knife cuts evaluate sheets of different thicknesses. Creates flawless clean cuts without burns, dust or material distortion. Sharp oscillating cut 2 mm PET sheet. Zero burrs and perfect lie smooth cutting lines. Hardened BR rubber is cut perfectly, delivering precise burr-free profiles. Pneumatic cutter slices soft materials, with no melting or deformation. Corrugated cardboard is cut perfectly, with no broken edges. High-speed rotary tool slices textiles clean, with no tearing or fraying. Welcome to contact us for cooperation.